is an easy craft to put together for your kids to play with on a road trip on a boredom-filled afternoon. I used a clear plastic Voss water bottle, rice, and random foam sticker shapes. I went through the shapes to find matching pairs. Once I found all the pieces I wanted, I added them to the bottle. Now I'll add some rice. You want to make sure that you leave enough space at the top for the rice and the shapes to move around. I will add the adhesive foam pieces to a piece of leftover poster board. This is optional, but you can laminate the game board to preserve it. This allows you to circle the pieces with a dry erase marker. When they find the shapes, they could also place a check mark on top of the shape. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.